When did you decide to go all in, leverage Ignition as much as possible? And how has that impacted your business, or how has it helped your customers? So, well, Chris, let's go ahead and start with you on this one.
Well, so as I just said, I started the business because I believed in the product, and I wouldn't have a business without it. How has it changed the business? Well, as I said when I introduced myself, at the moment we're growing 100% every 2 years. It is phenomenal, and Ignition is not the same product that it was 10 years ago. It has grown so much, and it does so much more. The addition of MQTT modules has made this, truly a global platform. We're doing projects now where we have multiple sites and bringing everything into Azure. Then with the web dev module, building APIs so people can get their data through API. I know that's coming in 8.3 and it'd be more native, but there's nothing you can't do with this product if you put your mind to it. It's amazing.
Thanks, Chris. Scott, how about your answer to these questions?
Yeah, all in, as I mentioned before, we have a lot of customers who are still on legacy products, so I'd say we're not all in as a whole company, like Chris just mentioned his company is. However, I mentioned this Ignition team that we have people that are certified and using Ignition among many other teams at Flexware. So we are very much in on using Ignition, and that's a huge testimony to the growth of the product, the capability of the product, because we have customers that said, we're a legacy Rockwell house or Wonderware house or something like that. We're not heading that direction. And then a year later, they're like, we're using it over here, and we're trying it over here, and we're testing it over there. And in some of those cases, it has become a standard for them. So it allows us to go more all in. The other comment I'd make here, how it helped change our business is, for instance, we weren't really doing a lot in utilities, but that's one of those industries that, I've been in this business 33 years, and all those houses are ready to flip. All those old HMI SCADA systems like Iconics and stuff like that, they're ready to be upgraded. And we got an opportunity in the utility space because we were flipping those older technologies to Ignition. So it's enabled us to go into even other industries, which is powerful for us.
Yeah, just to that point, we're seeing a similar thing happen in water, wastewater. So much of the water, wastewater systems are at end of life, and they need to be flipped. And Ignition's right there, willing to be capable in that vertical as well as what you're talking about there. So
yeah,
yep. Thanks. Evelyn, your answers to the questions.
Yeah, well, Ignition changed the way we integrators deliver solutions. Ignition offers so many advantages over traditional SCADA, like you have mentioned so many already, like licensing model, for example. Having no limitation of client, concurrent designers, tags, or history points is a plus. Also, Ignition offers a 2-hour trial, so you can test all of the functionalities. It is cross-platform, it is installed quickly and easy, so that helps to reduce downtimes. And being such a versatile software to implement any kind of solution, I think there are more than enough reasons to go all in with Ignition. Since we use Ignition, we have reduced development and deployment time. Also, Ignition gave us the opportunity to expand internationally because you can develop and deploy systems remotely. So thanks to Ignition, we have implementing systems or trained people in many countries: Argentina, Chile, Peru, Mexico, United States, and even Sweden. And for customers, Ignition has helped them to reduce license, maintenance, and support costs. Besides, Ignition allows to integrate different devices and third-party software, so customers don't have to buy and maintain different platforms. So we say, let's go all in.
Thank you. Yeah, it's been great to watch you guys just expand all over South America and even internationally beyond that. So thanks. All right, Remus, a little more about your story.
Sure. So for me personally, I decided to go all in on Ignition from that day 12 or 13 years ago. I think, it's a running joke that I've had a few jobs since that time, but everywhere I've gone, I've taken Ignition with me, and both from the end user perspective as well now from an integrator side. For us, it's a tool that allows us to rapidly deploy a solution for our customers across any sort of industry or vertical. So for us, I think it's extremely interesting that some of the projects we work on have absolutely nothing to do with manufacturing or factories. Yet we're using Ignition as a tool to deliver data and projects across a wide variety of different systems. I say for me in the 13 years I've worked with Ignition, I've never once deployed it as a SCADA system. For me, it's always been a platform for solving business problems. And I think I've taken that into the world of integration now and just helping our customers understand that there are tools available today that allow us to connect to industrial type equipment and move data around an industrial ecosystem like we've never had before. And so, I joked also at ICC this last year that 8.3 feels for me like the first version of Ignition that's been focused 100% on my type of work. I call it the Enterprise Edition because it's now so focused on enterprise scalability, the ability to deliver a solution across one site, two sites, 250 sites, factories, car washes is a fun one that I'm working on now using Ignition. So it's a wild platform. And so for us, it's just been that secret weapon that we have that we know we can deliver anything that comes our way. Like Chris said earlier, I haven't come across a problem I could not solve building it in Ignition.